Building a workflow is easy to do. Workflows will always appear on the left-hand side as shown here. A workflow is a preset that lets a user apply settings like scaling, rotation, paper profiles, and color adjustment. Let's build a workflow. From the File menu, select New Workflow. It helps to name the workflow for its purpose. For this example, we will use High Quality 2. Clicking OK takes the user back to the workflow editor. Click on the Hot Folder tab and pause the workflow. Pausing a workflow allows a user to control how they want files to continue through each step of the workflow process. Here on the left, we can see a list of icons. They represent workflow items we use for creating workflow. Let's select, click, and drag a workflow item into the workflow window, linking the workflow items together. Now choose Configuration, then a paper profile. Paper profiles are created and imported into Northstar. Paper profiles contain specific attributes for each type of paper the customer chooses for their print job. Users can control font emulation, scaling, rotation, and of course, color adjustment. The color adjustment button brings the user to a table that allows for global light to dark adjustment or individual color adjustment, as shown here. Choose OK, then click the wrench at the top of the client, taking us back to the main queue. Here on the left, select a workflow and then drag and drop a file into the workflow window. The file will be added to the job queue. Select the job, then click the green arrow button at the top of the client to print the job. When the job is finished processing, a blue check mark will appear indicating the job is successfully printed. Need additional copies? No problem. Right-click on the job in the job queue and select Output Options. Enter the number of copies you want, then click OK.